There's a gravel road beyond the hill, where the morning air is quite still. Mama's roses bloom each spring, like they never noticed anything. I left with dreams too big to hold. Now every mile feels twice as cold. I've chased the lights of bigger towns, but peace was never there to be found. The road still knows my name tonight. It leads me home by moonlit light, back to fields of golden grain, where love was simple, free from pain. If I could turn these years around, I'd never leave that little town. Every mile my heart has roamed still points me back to where I belong. Daddy's chair still by the fire, filled with stories and old desires. Every picture on the wall reminds me love outlives us all. Though time has written lines on me, you're the man I used to be. When the autumn leaves begin to fall, I hear my hometown softly call. One more sunrise, one more chance to find my way with one last dance. The road still knows my name tonight, like an old friend holding on so tight. Every prayer I've ever said still echoes where my heart was led. When my journey meets the end, I'll be home once again, where the morning skies are blue and every dream somehow comes true. The road still knows my name, and it never let me go. These old boots have crossed 1,000 roads, carried dreams and heavy loads. I've watched the sunrise paint the sky and learned that every goodbye lies, but every town and every mile never held your gentle smile. You were always waiting there, like a prayer riding on the wind. If these old boots could talk tonight, they'd tell you I was never right, leaving love to chase the wind only brought me back again. You're the song my heart still sings, the reason every bluebird brings hope to every broken soul. You're the place that made me whole. There's an old cafe beside the tracks where memories never fade to black. The waitress smiles and knows my name, but nothing here feels quite the same without your hand inside of mine. Even sunshine loses shine. One more dance beneath the stars, no more counting all these scars. If tomorrow never comes, I'll still be where my heart belongs. If these old boots could talk tonight, they'd thank the Lord for one more light, one more chance to hold you close before the winter steals the rose. Every road I've traveled through always found its way to you. Now I know what love is for. It's worth coming home once more. These old boots are finally home, right where they belong. I found your picture in an old oak frame, a faded smile, but it felt the same. The years rolled by like a passing train, yet my heart still whispers your sweet name. front porch swing keeps moving slow, like it's waiting for us both to go. Some loves grow older with the years, some grow stronger through the tears. Give me one more sunset with you, one more sky painted gold and blue, one more dance beneath the stars, to heal these old and broken scars. If tomorrow never finds my soul, holding your hand will make me whole. Heaven can wait a little while, if I can see your sweet smile. The old church bell still rings on time, like the day I first called you mine. Every little road we used to know still blooms where the wildflowers grow. The seasons changed, our hair turned gray, but love never drifted away. When the river meets the sea, save one last place beside you for me. No more lonely nights to bear, only forever waiting there. Give me one more sunset with you before the evening fades from view. Every prayer I've ever prayed still shines where our love was made. When my journey reaches home, I won't have to walk alone. Every heartbeat, every sigh will love you till the day I die. One more sunset, one more song, forever where we belong. There's an old white house beyond the bend, where every road knows where it ends. The screen door sings the same old tune beneath the light of a harvest moon. Though years have carved these hands of mine, your love has never left my mind. Every heartbeat leads me home, no matter where these feet may roam. The house where love still lives tonight has a window glowing soft and bright. Every memory fills the air like you were always waiting there. If I could spend my final days, I'd never wander far away, 'cause every dream my heart still gives belongs to the house where love still lives. The old guitar leans by the wall, still remembers every song and all. Your favorite cup sits by the sink, just enough to make me stop and think. Time may steal the summer leaves, but not the love my soul believes. When the morning finds my eyes, I'll thank the Lord for one more sunrise. If tomorrow calls my name, I'll leave this world just the same. The house where love still lives tonight still shines beneath the pale moonlight. Every laugh and every tear still tells me you were always near. Till the stars no longer shine, you'll forever still be mine. Every road my heart forgives leads me where our love still lives. I'll find my way back to the house where love still lives. I took the long road out of town with dusty boots upon the ground. Every mile your memory stayed like an old song that never fades. The moon still knows the tears I've cried. The stars still shine where dreams don't hide. Time can carry rivers to the sea, but it never washed your love from me. Take me back where your love still grows, down that little winding road, where the porch light burns all night, waiting like a faithful guide. If forever has a place to start, it's written deep inside my heart. Every prayer and every rose leads me back where your love still grows. I still hear your gentle voice, and every breeze and every choice. The old oak tree still calls my name. Nothing here has really changed. Though silver fills my weary hair, I still find your shadow there. Maybe someday when heaven calls, we'll walk beyond those white fence walls, hand in hand beneath blue skies. Love will never say goodbye. Take me back where your love still grows, where the wildflowers softly blow. Every sunset paints your smile, makes this lonely road worthwhile. Till my final day is through, I'll keep coming home to you. Every dream my heart still knows leads me back where your love still grows. Back where your love still grows. That's where I'll always call home. There's an old white house beyond the bend, where every road knows where it ends. The screen door sings the same old tune beneath the light of a harvest moon. Though years have carved these hands of mine, your love has never left my mind. Every heartbeat leads me home, no matter where these feet may roam. The house where love still lives tonight has a window glowing soft and bright. Every memory fills the air like you were always waiting there. If I could spend my final days, I'd never wander far away. 'Cause every dream my heart still gives belongs to the house where love still lives. The old guitar leans by the wall, still remembers every song and all. Your favorite cup sits by the sink, just enough to make me stop and think. Time may steal the summer leaves, but not the love my soul believes. When the morning finds my eyes, I'll thank the Lord for one more sunrise. If tomorrow calls my name, I'll leave this world just the same. The house where love still lives tonight still shines beneath the pale moonlight. Every laugh and every tear still tells me you are always near. Till the stars no longer shine, you'll forever still be mine. Every road my heart forgives leads me where our love still lives. I'll find my way back to the house where love still lives. These old boots have crossed 1,000 roads, carried dreams and heavy loads. I've watched the sunrise paint the sky and learned that every goodbye lies. But every town and every mile never held your gentle smile. You were always waiting there, like a prayer riding on the wind. If these old boots could talk tonight, they'd tell you I was never right, leaving love to chase the wind only brought me back again. You're the song my heart still sings, the reason every bluebird brings hope to every broken soul. You're the place that made me whole. There's an old cafe beside the tracks where memories never fade to black. The waitress smiles and knows my name, but nothing here feels quite the same without your hand inside of mine. Even sunshine loses shine. One more dance beneath the stars, no more counting all these scars. If tomorrow never comes, I'll still be where my heart belongs. If these old boots could talk tonight, they'd thank the Lord for one more light, one more chance to hold you close before the winter steals the rose. Every road I've traveled through always found its way to you. Now I know what love is for. It's worth coming home once more. These old boots are finally home, right where they belong. Your picture in an old oak frame, a faded smile, but it felt the same. The years rolled by like a passing train, yet my heart still whispers your sweet name. The front porch swing keeps moving slow, like it's waiting for us both to go. Some loves grow older with the years, some grow stronger through the tears. Give me one more sunset with you, one more sky painted gold and blue, one more dance beneath the stars, to heal these old and broken scars. If tomorrow never finds my soul, while. If I can see your sweet smile. The old church bell still rings on time, like the day I first called you mine. Every little road we used to know still blooms where the wildflowers grow. The seasons changed, our hair turned gray, but love never drifted away. When the river meets the sea, save one last place beside you for me. No more lonely nights to bear, only forever waiting there. Give me one more sunset with you before the evening fades from view. Every prayer I've ever prayed still shines where our love was made. When my journey reaches home, I won't have to walk alone. Every heartbeat, every sigh will love you till the day I die. One more sunset, one more song, forever where we belong. Took the long road out of town with dusty boots upon the ground. Every mile your memory stayed, like an old song that never fades. The moon still knows the tears I've cried, the stars still shine where dreams don't hide. Time can carry rivers to the sea, but it never washed your love from me. Take me back where your love still grows, down that little winding road, where the porch light burns all night, waiting like a faithful guide. If forever has a place to start, it's written deep inside my heart. Every prayer and every rose leads me back where your love still grows. I still hear your gentle voice in every breeze and every choice. The old oak tree still calls my name. Nothing here has really changed, though silver fills my weary hair. I still find your shadow there. Maybe someday when heaven calls, we'll walk beyond those white fence walls, hand in hand beneath blue skies. Love will never say goodbye. Take me back where your love still grows, where the wildflowers softly blow. Every sunset paints your smile, makes this lonely road worthwhile, till my final day is through. I'll keep coming home to you. Every dream my heart still knows leads me back where your love still grows. Back where your love still grows. That's where I'll always call home.